So how long has Daniel been here? Been in the hospital? How long has he been in the hospital?
He's been here, well, he's in and out, so
Okay.
like for 3 months.
Okay. And what is your name?
Hilda. Period.
Anna to 501C, please. Anna to 501C.
And can you tell us about his condition? What is the matter with him?
Um, he has biliary atresia. It's when, well, he was born without the ducts that drain the bile from the liver. So the bile just accumulates in the liver and it damages.
Okay. So he is in need of a liver transplant?
Yep, he is. His liver is not working, so he needs a liver transplant now.
Okay. So what does it mean to you that how do you feel about him needing a liver transplant, and what can the community do to assist you?
Um,
And the question is, do you have medical insurance that would cover the cost of his care?
no, we have no medical insurance or financial like assistance, so he cannot go for the liver transplant without insurance or anything. So
Have they said, notified you of the actual cost of such procedure?
it's like around 350 to $400,000.
Okay. And so, what is going to happen if the procedure isn't performed on Daniel?
Well, he's not gonna live for long. I mean, they just gave him for 1 year.
Okay. And how old is he?
He's 7 months.
And can you share with us where you're from? Where were you born?
I'm from Belize. I was born in San Pedro, born and raised. And same with Daniel. Well, he was born in San Pedro. So,
And where are you at the moment?
um, California. We're in Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. And this is where he's being like stable, but I mean with his chronic liver disease it's just progressive, so he's, you know, he needs his liver.
And and the hope is that someone is going to look at this footage and offer all necessary support for the extension of the life of Daniel. And as he's here with his mother, who loves him dearly, we can understand that there being an urgency for the need of a liver transplant for him. And how can you be contacted? And if there's is there a foundation that can be contacted? How can you be contacted?
Well, my number is 310-766-7227. That's my cell number.
Okay.
Yeah, so anybody can call.
And we're hoping that the government that this information reach the government of Belize. We're hoping that it reads all medical professionals who perhaps would be able to offer a measure of support.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your support.